If you're looking to make money from your reels on Instagram, then this video is for you. Today, I'll be going over everything that you need to know about the new Instagram Reels monetization program, how it works, and who is able to join. So if you didn't know, Instagram used to have a Reels bonus program where creators could monetize on their videos over the past 2 years. They first came out with the Reels bonus program in order to compete with TikTok, which at the time did a great job of paying creators more than the TikTok creator fund. Creators were getting anywhere from $100 all the way to over $1,000 per month. But earlier this year, they decided to end the program, and now they have a new monetization method called ads on Reels. And this is a little bit different from how creators are able to monetize on other platforms. The way they determine payouts for creators is not by how much ad revenue they bring in, but actually by the number of plays that the reel has. So this basically means that the more views your reel gets, the more you get paid. They're also going to be analyzing the engagement, so things like the shares and the comments. But right now, we don't know the exact number on how much creators can expect to make from this program. However, knowing how much they used to pay creators in order to compete with TikTok, I wouldn't be surprised if they competed with TikTok's new creativity program beta. And if you don't know what that is, then I highly recommend checking out our other video on that topic. It's basically way better than the old creator fund. So if you haven't already switched over to the new program beta on TikTok, then I highly recommend doing so. Anyways, the reason why they're going with a more performance-based approach is because they want creators to focus more on content that's resonating with their audience. That way, people on Instagram can get a consistent viewing experience, which is what they want, considering the fact that Reels drives a ton of engagement to Meta as a whole. They also want to prioritize views because they saw that giving payments on ad performance could sometimes negatively impact creators from things that are out of their control, such as Instagram's ad inventory. So for example, if they didn't have enough space on their platform for a specific ad, then it would be unfair to pay that creator less for that video, especially if they were bringing tons of views and engagement to Instagram. But yeah, right now they're just testing the program out, and only time will tell how profitable this can be for Instagram creators. But don't worry, there are plenty of other ways that you can make money on Instagram, such as affiliate marketing, Instagram subscriptions, live badges, merch, digital products, and more. And if you want to learn more about that topic, let us know in the comments down below, and we'll be sure to cover it in another detailed video. Now, when it comes to who can join this new ads on Reels program, you'll still need an invite from Meta to be a part of this testing group. So if you were in the previous Reels bonus program, you'll likely get an invite again. And if you're interested in learning about all the other requirements, I'll leave a screenshot on the screen for things creators will need in order to get into the ads on Reels program. Anyways, that's all there is to know about Instagram's new monetization program. Let us know what you think about this new performance-based system in the comments down below. And if you want to learn more about growing on social media, we have a bunch of other videos and playlists on this channel that could teach you how to grow on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So yeah, if you guys are interested in any of that, then please consider subscribing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got some value out of it. If you did, then please be sure to leave a like and also share it with somebody else who can benefit. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.